So finally guys, we have reached to our much awaited destination, which is Santorini. Hey, welcome back to the channel everyone. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. And today is day 6 of our journey. Today we are leaving Mykonos and going to Santorini. So it's a very busy schedule we have. Now we are at the Mykonos port and now the time is 9:45 and the jet is going to arrive at 10. So let's go.
Next level.
Finally guys, we have reached to our much awaited destination, which is Santorini. It's almost 3 hours journey on the cruise. We left from Mykonos around 11 and now the time is 1:10 PM. Sorry, I told you wrong. It's almost 2 hours journey. So in the middle there was a stop in an island which is Naxos. So let's go. We are very much excited guys. Now we have to find our representative who will pick us up. Found us. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
That's your name?
Yes.
And you're going to Dolphins, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Give me a second, please. Come with me.
Just leave your luggage here, I will fix it.
Next level.
So guys, we have reached our hotel, which is Dolphins apartment, and I'll show you later the beauty of this hotel. I'll show you later. is our hotel. Actually, this is an apartment, and you will not understand the beauty of this. This place is so much beautiful, and look how beautiful is this. This place is awesome. And the name of this place is Dolphin's Apartment. Oh my god. Just look at this place. And do you want to see our room? I cannot tell this is our room. Actually, this is our apartment. So this is one room. And we have dining table. We have private kitchen, fridge, and this is the washroom. And this is, guys, another room. Four. And a special balcony here. She's very happy. Just tell something.
Just yippee.
So I think this is the best place for any honeymoon couples, guys. And we recommend this place 500%. If you are a honeymoon couple, live it. If you are not a honeymoon couple, if you are a couple, then please come to this place. So guys, it's a bad news for us. Actually, we wanted to rent a bike over here, but it's not as the same case as Mykonos. We need an international license for renting a bike over here, but we don't have that. So that's why we cannot get our bike. So guys, now we are at the beach near our resort, and the view is very awesome, by the way. Just look at that view. Now we are going for dinner, and now the time is 9:30 p.m. in the night, and
We are super excited.
we are super excited, and we'll visit some places over there. Actually, we are going to Fira, and now it's named Thira. So let's go.
Now it's named Thira.
No.
Yeah.
It
It was Thira, now it is Thira. Okay.
so
Whatever.
whatever.
We just want to visit the place.
We just want to visit and explore the place. After dinner, we'll do that. So let's go.
Show them the
Oh, one more thing. I want to
Night
show you
beauty.
the night beauty of this place. Just check this. is a small village in Santorini. There are many shops, markets, supermarkets, restaurants, bars, everywhere.
Next level.
So we are now done with our dinner, and we have hopped many stores in Khira, and now we are going back to our hotel. Our vehicle is waiting for us at the bus stop, so going back there. So see you guys